Why doesn't Erling Haaland have tattoos? At a time when tattoos have become very common among football players, Erling Haaland has chosen not to get any. Even Lionel Messi, who once avoided tattoos, eventually got several. Haaland has two main reasons for this decision. The first is the influence of his father, Alf-Inge Haaland, a former footballer who taught him from a young age that an athlete's body is one of their most valuable assets and should be taken care of. Because of that, Haaland prefers to avoid anything he considers unnecessary. The second reason is his personality. Haaland is known for being calm and practical. He has no interest in following trends or copying others. He also doesn't see tattoos as a way to express himself, preferring to keep his memories and personal life private rather than putting them on his body.